Hey guys, it is Lauren here from Chasing the Tickle. Anyway, today I'm actually going to be doing a wrap on how to actually tie a triangle scarf. So anyway, my first ever scarf was actually a triangle scarf, and sometimes I didn't know what I was doing. At the time I still didn't even have a velvet headband, so it always used to slide back. It was just a mess. It just looked really inappropriate. And at the end of the night, if I wore it somewhere, I gave up and took it off. So it just got really annoying. So anyway, this is my first ever scarf I actually got this from Target about 5 years ago. So my first ever scarf. But since I've obviously been wrapping a bit more permanently, I've got a bit more confidence about actually wrapping. And I think that's a huge thing. And so the way I'm actually going to show you guys is actually, I saw it off a documentary for Haredi women. And I wanted to just wanted to show you guys how it's done, and it is very easy. The lady who actually wore it just basically did a tie at the back and then just tucked the triangle point in here and just would let the two tails done. It was that easy. There's no complex thing to it. So yeah. So anyway, let's pop this on. Oh, first and foremost, shaper. I'm wearing a Wendy beret from Rapunzel. It is a new one. No stuffing has been taken out, no stuffing has been put in, and also it's blonde. I like to wear the blonde ones mainly because of the fact that just that it doesn't show through too much in comparison to a black or a white one, so the color doesn't show through. So it's actually really good for neutral colors, and it's also good for a little bit more of a conservative thing. So yeah, let's pop this on. All right, we're just going to center it as well, so this is an even tails situation. There's no complex thing to this. It's nothing, I wouldn't even say it's even complex, because it's probably the most easy scarf, it's the easiest tie that you'll ever learn. Now again, when I'm saying about hairline, some women like to wear it down now. I personally like to wear my hairline, my scarf up around my hairline. So going on. Alright, so I like to actually wear my scarf up around my hairline. I don't like to wear it any lower because it makes me look awkward. So there we go. So all we've done is just cross it over and tie in the back. And as you can see, we've got this little bit hanging out. So what we're going to do is just tuck that in. Pop that there. And that's it. That's it. There is nothing complicated about it. You could even go like that. You know, pull it down to wherever you want to have it. There you go. There is nothing complex to it. It's just as easy. It's like the most basic thing you can ever learn. Like, it's as basic as anything. You know, there's nothing complex about it. And, you know, you could wear it down like this and it still looks nice. You could also wear it on the side. It still looks nice. You could even do what I used to do when I first got a shaper. Tie it around and tuck it in, but I don't like to do that because of the fringy ends. I prefer just to have it down like this. So yeah, there's nothing to it. It is easy as it's the most easiest scarf tie that I'll ever show you. All it is a one knot trick basically. So yeah. Yeah, so that's it guys. So in dedication to who it was actually from, she's a well-known midwife in the Jerusalem area. Her nickname is Bambi, so we'll call it the Bambi scarf for her. So yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much it. We'll just call it the Bambi scarf. But if you guys actually like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also make sure to comment below if you want to see any more, actually ask any questions. Also make sure to like my videos as well. If you guys don't know, I've actually got a Facebook page as well. It is called Chasing the Tickle, where you can actually see all of my daily where you can actually see my daily wraps that I actually wear for the day. And I actually post up there pretty much every day except for Shabbos. So make sure to actually check out my Facebook page, and also my Instagram page is actually linked to that as well. So yeah, it is called Chasing the Tickle. Make sure to go and check it out. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It is very easy, as you guys can have seen. And yeah, that's pretty much it from me. So have a great day. Bye!